let's talk about cell division. But before talking about cell division, we need to also know what is cell division. So cell division is the division of cell. It is pretty simple. But in reality, to know about cell division, we need to know about the cell. Because cell division is a large process and is a very complex process. It occurs with the respect of the organelles present inside the cell. Those organelles are the mitochondria, the nucleus, and many more. There are many organelles within the cell. Similarly, whenever cell division occurs, so the cells need to duplicate themselves. Now, what does that mean? I mean, the chromosome need to duplicate themselves. Cell division is done so two identical pairs could be formed. Sometimes some are not identical in shape, but two same genetics one could be formed. And to form same genetics ones, to form the person with the same amount of chromosome, you need to have the duplicate one, because if one divides without duplication, then its characteristics would have been reduced to half because it been divided. So during every starting phase of cell division, the number of chromosome duplicates. So in the case of 1, it becomes 2n, n to 2n, okay? And similarly, whenever we are talking about cell division, the cell division occurs in two type of cells. What are those cells? The somatic cells and the stem cells. Somatic cell, stem cell occurs in mitotic, and in meiosis division, what are the type of cell? Those are what? Germ cell. Yeah, those are the germ cell. Now, two cells. Germ cell is the dermal layer cell. Germal, that is dermal, because inside the the reproductive system there is germal layer, and with the help of that meiosis occur and the eggs and sperms are formed. Now, in mitotic, there are two type of mitosis division. The one is amitotic and the second is mitotic. So let's understand what is amitotic division. Amitotic division is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. So amitotic means against of mitotic. So let's understand the purpose of mitotic. The purpose of mitotic is to generate or form two equal part of a cell, two identical cell. It is part of the mitotic division. So with the respect of amitotic, A means the exactly opposite of that. What would be the exactly opposite of that? The exact opposite to that mean that in amitotic equal halves could not be obtained. That's the amitotic. So equal half will not be obtained in amitotic division. Amitotic division is done by parenchyma, euglena, and amoebia. So these are the organisms which perform this amitotic division, and they perform it with a respect to their body, because we do not need an exact copy of amoeba. Every amoeba is different, and nature suggested that every amoeba should be different. That's why they follow amitotic division. So in simplify, amitotic is mitotic with irregularity. And after knowing about amitotic, let's understand mitotic. So mitotic has its two phases, karyokinesis and cytokinesis, which is known as the nucleus division, which is the karyo, and kinesis means division. Cyto means cytoplasmic and kinesis means division. So karyokinesis, that is nuclear division, and cytokinesis, that is cytoplasmic division. These are the two steps that are within the mitotic division. And in the mitotic division, what happens? First, the in karyokinesis, there are four substages. Those are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And these are the things that we will learn in the next video. And after that comes the cytokinesis. So let's learn that in the next video. Thank you.